Tired of endless email chains just to share crucial project insights? I'm going to show you how to share reports directly from Clockify, streamlining your workflow and boosting collaboration. First, log into your Clockify account. Make sure you have administrator or reporting permissions to access and share reports. Next, click on the Reports tab located in the sidebar. This will take you to the reporting section, where you can generate and customize your reports. Now, select the type of report you want to share. For this example, we'll choose a detailed report. Customize the report by applying filters such as date range, specific projects, users, or tags to get the exact data you need. Once you're happy with your report, look for the Share button. It's usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. A dialog box will appear with several sharing options. You can share directly with team members within your Clockify workspace, give access to a client, or create a public link for anyone to view. For sharing with team members or client, choose the appropriate access level, like view only or edit access if you need collaboration. If you choose the public URL option, simply copy the generated link and share it via email, messaging apps, or any other communication channel. Remember that anyone with the link can access the report, so only use this option with discretion. The recipient can now view the report directly through the link, gaining valuable insights into project progress, time allocation, and team performance without needing a Clockify account. Finally, to revoke access, simply return to the share settings and disable or delete the shared link. This will immediately prevent anyone from accessing the report using that link. And that's it. You've successfully shared a report in Clockify, fostering better collaboration and data-driven decision-making. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.